most highlight moment for me when you encourage me to move, to like follow the fluidity when you say that, because obviously we tend to stick with what seem familiar. So much more that wants to be moved and how big it can go. And when you say like follow that and be fluid, and I just like feel the waves and bigger snake coming in, and just like that's why the guidance is very, very important. I think like to have this like someone who drop in at that moment to encourage you with the word. When I hear your voice, and I also love to express my voice and just feel like our voice intertwine, and that I just felt my voice bursting through, and it's the same tone just spark up with your tuning, and it's just like that we're singing a song together.